What's up YouTube? Everyday Drone Guy again with another video. So today's video is I am going to turn my Mavic 2 Zoom into the Mavic 2 Pro. So you guys stay tuned, you really don't want to miss this. Let's go. Alright guys, so we are back. So first we are going to start with extending these arms. Alright, so we have to remove first these two screws, okay? Now there is going to be some glue in there. Just remove that, pick it out. Once you do this guys, just know that you're avoiding your warranty on the drone, okay? So we're going to remove these two screws first. Okay, 2. All right, so I'm going to use my little trusty pick. Oh, shout out to Adrian Mateo Drones for hooking me up with this this little set here. It's really handy. All right, so I'm gonna take these screws out. Okay, loosen this one up a little bit more. Go. All right, so with this you want to push forward, and there's 2 clips on either end. Just pull it apart. All right, so from here guys, now there is 2 screws here, 2 screws in here, and then there's 1 screw here, 1 screw here. Those are the only other screws that we have to take out. Okay, so let's start down here first. Alright, go ahead and get my tweezer. Alright, let me just loosen up just a little bit more, make sure it's out. Okay, that's 1. Alright, and that's 2. So we're left with 2 more screws in here. That's 1. Alright, that's 2. Okay, so from here I do have a plastic because I don't want to use any metal in there, so I'm going to use this plastic thingamajig. I'm not sure exactly what it's called, and we're going to just go ahead and pry up the ribbon cable. Be real gentle. There we go. All right guys, and from here we can just lift the camera out. All right, and there goes the zoom camera. Okay, put that aside. All right, so here comes the Hasselblad camera. We're going to go in the bottom first. Okay, and put it in like that. Want to make sure the ribbon is back in place exactly where it needs to be. Just be careful with that. Alright, so this is my first time doing this guys. I did watch a couple videos, so just bear with me. Alright, so that is pretty secure. And we're just going to do the total opposite now and put the screws back in. Alright. So I have my tweezer. So make sure the screws are back in the right place. Alright, so that's 1. Now you want to make sure this is not too tight, but tight enough that it's not going to come out. You don't want it to you don't want your gimbal flying out when you're when you're flying. So all right, so let's go ahead and put the other one in. good. Tighten that down. Perfect. Okay. So it is pretty easy and straightforward, guys. There's literally like 6 screws, you know, and the camera is out. You shouldn't have to do any firmware updates or anything like that. At least I'm not sure yet, but we'll find out as soon as we put it on. All right. Now we're going to go back with the cover. So let's go put these 2 pieces in first. Flip that in, slide it back. There we go. Nice and snug. All right, so guys, that is literally it. That, I don't even think that took 5 minutes. So it's that simple, that fast. All right, so moment of truth. Let's go ahead and set it up. Sorry for the noise, guys. All right, so let's put the drone right here. Get this stuff out of the way. All right, so the drone is right here. I'll have the tablet right here so you guys can see what's going on. Put the remote on, put the tablet on. And let's go ahead and put the drone on. So this is the moment of truth, guys. Let's see what happens. All right, so the camera, you know, did everything. It normalized and everything like that. All right, and all right, looks like we don't see anything. But as you can tell, now we have more options, okay? And there we go. The camera is working. All right, let me tilt it up and down. Tilt works. So guys, it's just easy as that. I mean, literally less than 5 minutes, we just swapped out the camera. And as you can tell, everything works, okay? No issues with that. And yeah, that's it. So the next thing to do is to put it up in the air, test out everything, make sure everything works. As you guys can tell by looking at the outside, it's raining bad, so I wouldn't be able to do that today. But as soon as I can, guys, I'll have a lot more you know, videos and stuff coming up with what the camera actually does. So stay tuned for that. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Now that I have this Hasselblad camera, yeah, I'm gonna do a lot more stuff. So, and guys, comment, let me know what to do with the zoom. I might hold on to it, might not. The zoom is still an awesome camera. I just don't really use the zoom features too much, and I'd rather have a better picture quality, or you know, video quality, as far as the Hasselblad camera. So I actually just might get rid of it, guys. So hit me up, anybody that's probably looking for a camera replacement. I have all these filters for them. You can get all that in there. All right. So yeah, hit me up. Let me know what I should do with it. I probably might just get rid of it. I don't really see the sense in keeping it, but who knows? All right. And guys, there you go. That is literally it. I have some more stuff that I did order. So when I tell you I'm gonna do a lot more videos, I ordered these filters for the Hasselblad. Now these are the Freewell variable aperture filters, so you don't have to take, you know, have 6-7 filters and keep swapping them out. You can literally just change and dial into where you want it to be. I also have this nighttime filter as well that I want to test out. So I have a lot more stuff coming. Just hold on, stay tuned, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so as soon as a video drop, you guys will be the first to know. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Everyday Drone Guy out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there you go. So the Mavic 2 Zoom is actually now the Mavic 2 Pro, and I am super excited. All right, guys, so we have successfully swapped out the Zoom camera to the Pro camera. Okay, now I will leave links below to where I got all the stuff. I did get the Pro camera on eBay. It's a little bit pricey, but I think it was worth it. The camera is actually new. I didn't think it would have been new, but it was actually a brand new camera. It was advertised as new, and it does look new, and everything works, guys. I did set up everything, but the next video is going to be a flight test to see if everything actually works. It was the picture quality of the camera and all that good stuff. I also want to do a review on these filters. This is a freewheel filter for the nighttime. It's a night filter. And this is by Freewheel, so I'll have a video on that. And also these filters as well. This is another set from Freewheel. And literally this is a set of literally 7 filters in 2, so you can pretty much change the stops on these filters. So I definitely want to try these out as well. It's pretty cool. Everyone that uses filters knows it's a hassle to keep swapping out filters, so you don't have to do that with those. So guys, I thank you for watching this video. Thanks to all my subscribers. I want to give another shout out again to Adrian Mateo Drones for hooking me up with these this little screwdriver setter. I actually needed it today, so thank you for that, Adrian. So once again, guys, Everyday Drone Guy, I am out. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. If you liked what you see here today, like, comment, subscribe, and I'm always here to answer any questions you guys have if I can. All right, and also, yeah, don't forget, let me know what to do with this camera, guys. I don't think I probably might hold on to it. I'm not sure. The Zoom camera is still an awesome camera. I really don't use the Zoom too much, and I did want it to get better quality. That's why I went to switch to the Pro. But I think I might get rid of it. I do have a whole lot of filters for that camera, that Zoom camera as well. So hey, I might just get rid of it. Anybody interested, hit me up. Might just get rid of it. All right, so I am done. It is raining, so I can't test this out right now, but as soon as the weather allows me to, I will be flying. All right, so I'll see you guys in the next video. And yeah, thanks for subscribing. Love you guys. Have a great day.